Hello everybody. Today I'll show you how to fix dictation not working on iPhone. So first you have to enable it. Go to settings and tap on general. Tap on keyboard. Now from here, make sure enable dictation is turned on. If it is off, toggle it on. Now the second fix is to check Bluetooth connection. Ensure your iPhone is not connected to any Bluetooth headphone or any earphone, as this may interfere with the microphone. Turn it off. Turn off Bluetooth. Now after turning off Bluetooth, the third fix is to enable dictation in specific app. Open the app that uses the microphone like WhatsApp and attempt to use dictation within the app. And if it prompts allow microphone and enable dictation. The fourth fix is to reinstall the app. If dictation is not working in a specific app, uninstall them, delete the app, and reinstall it again. The fifth fix is to reset all settings. Go to settings, go to general, go to reset, and tap on reset. From here, tap on reset all settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.